Hey guys, welcome to JOYKOO channel. If you are new here, my name is Alan. Come for the lithium battery tips and hammer break. We all know energy storage technology is changing the way we live. So if you can build an off-grid solar power system, you can get off the grid power and you can get clean energy. This off-grid solar power system can make your home smarter, more efficient, and helping us tackle energy challenges. But how to choose a suitable and stable off-grid solar power system? What is the selection conditions? The first is the inverter. There are many different brands on the market, but the most popular is like this DEYE inverter and the kilowatt inverter. This inverter is from DEYE, is 5 kilowatt hybrid type solar inverter. Today, I use 2 pieces on the wall and testing the system. This inverter with the Wi-Fi part, so you can also get a nice app and you can connect it the inverter by Wi-Fi. You can check all system details by your phone easily. And then it's the battery. Now lithium battery is growing very fast, especially lithium iron phosphate battery, like this one. This is JOYKOO ESS 5000 mAh, 51.2 watt, 100 amp-hour lithium iron phosphate rack type battery. This battery we use 3.2 watt, 100 amp-hour EVE cell, prismatic cell, and welding by laser machine. With the smart BMS, you can check the all details by this small screen display. And this battery have more than 6,000 times cycle and small size and safety performance, so you can use it very easily and safety. So today I have built a whole system, off-grid solar power system with this battery and these 2 inverter. Also have some solar panels on the top of our roofs. And let's check how this battery support your homes. Now I use one 5 kilowatt lithium phosphate battery module connect to the solar inverters. This battery, the most important is the communication with the inverter. This one is the communication cable, and this is the battery output cable. We use 4 AUX cable, and this is for negative connection to from the battery to the inverter, and this is positive connection cable from the battery to the inverter. Here in this display we can check the battery voltage is 54.8 volts and the capacity now is 99 amp hour and the SOC is 100%. This is a breaker for protection the battery, and this one is the power switch. This slide will showing you the SOC, and this is the DIP switch. Okay, we connected this line to the inverter. We can check the battery here. The capacity and the current, the temperature here, and the voltage, battery voltage here, the communication cable, and this is a load machine. I will use this machine for testing the whole system working. I will use 3 kilowatt loading power. Now the testing starts. And from the solar we got about 400 watt power And this is the battery. Battery current now is 48 amp. Here showing 49.3 amp. And the load is, this one is 1.6 kilowatts, and this one is 1.7 kilowatts. And from the battery we can check. The power is 3.3 kilowatts, and the current is 14.75 amp. The voltage is 229. Okay, now the whole system is working very well. If you want more information, you can check our website. The website is below. And if you want to know more about this system, the battery, the inverter, you can contact me. My name is Alan. Thanks for your watching. See you next time. Bye.